to be that quick.
Well done, Ben.
Ben, you did it! Nice, Ben, you did it!
See, under there, there's a bit more from the wrist and more throwing it. More the wrist and spin.
Ben, you did it just a minute ago. You got it together. Use the same power you did when you did it a minute ago.
Right.
There you go. It takes a bit getting used to this one, especially after the angel starts. So,
Literally just like,
the other side
how
of the
can
top.
you not do it right?
Well done, Dave.
Hey, what? Well done, Ben. I'm tired.
Nice, lane 4, well done.
Ben, you almost did it. Very, very close. Ben, you did
Yay!
it! Ben, you did it!
Well done, lane 6.
Yay!
That.
You've got that, haven't you?
You got it.
Showing everything now, look at that. They're spoiled. Almost. Almost. Yeah. So,
Ben, you literally just did it a minute ago. You can do it now.
Yay!
Yes! Yes!
you thought that was going to bounce right back. Okay, no, you have the rest. You have the rest. Maybe instead try and arc it a bit higher when it goes over and has time to spin. So try and let it go a little bit better. I'm going to try and make sure it stays straight, but I think you would add it there.
Yeah. Ooh.
Almost.
Ben, you're doing it. You're in the hang of it. Keep doing it. Dad, you got this. You go.
Go on, Dad.
Dad, Dad, you got this. Dad, you got this. Dad, you can do it. Maybe I can do it.
Right.
Dad, you can do it. You have the mighty power. How are you missing?
Dallas.
Wow.
Maybe a little bit more power.
Wow. You're doing great, buddy. Yeah, doing great. Ben, you're doing
Right.
great.
Alright guys, 2 more throws and then we're going to crack on to some games. Oh yeah.
Ben, you might be able to do it.
Yay!
Yeah!